Longer a luxury, it is a necessity. Businesses that want to thrive online must understand how to place their products or services in front of the right audience at the right time. That is where search engine marketing comes into play. Google and Bing, the two largest search engines, control a vast majority of search traffic, and both offer advertising platforms that can drive high-intent customers to your business. But simply creating an ad is not enough without proper setup, budget allocation, and strategic structuring. Businesses often waste thousands of dollars with little to no return. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk through the entire process of setting up Google Ads and Bing campaigns, ensuring that every element from keyword selection to budget configuration is optimized for success. If you really want to take your SEM career journey to another level, enroll now in Transform Academy Limited Advanced Marketing Courses via our website www.whattransformacademyof.com and continue your journey to a high-paying SEM career. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Transform Academy's YouTube channel for more expert digital marketing content. Understanding search engine marketing. Before diving into setting up Google and Bing ads, let us first understand what search engine marketing actually is. SEM is a form of paid digital marketing where advertisers bid on keywords to have their ads appear on search engine results pages. Unlike search engine optimization, which focuses on organic traffic, SEM allows businesses to appear instantly at the top of search results provided they have an optimized campaign. But SEM is more than just placing an ad. A well-executed campaign requires understanding how Google Ads and Bing Ads function, selecting the right bidding strategy, refining audience targeting, and continuously optimizing performance. Many businesses struggle with SEM because they either set up their campaigns incorrectly or fail to optimize them over time. That is why learning how to set up Google Ads and Bing Ads properly is crucial for businesses looking to get the best return on investment. The first step in launching a Google Ads campaign is setting up an account. To do this, visit the Google Ads homepage and click on Start Now. You will need to enter a Gmail account, choose a billing country, set your time zone, and select your preferred currency. These settings are critical because once they are set, they cannot be changed. Many beginners make the mistake of rushing through this step only to realize later that they have selected the wrong currency or time zone, leading to issues with reporting and payments. Once your Google Ads account is created, you will be taken to the Google Ads dashboard. Here you will find essential features such as the Campaigns tab, ad groups, keyword section, and reports. The dashboard might look overwhelming at first, but learning how to navigate it efficiently is crucial for managing campaigns effectively. Google provides a wealth of data, from click-through rates and conversion rates to cost per click and impression share, all of which are key performance indicators for any campaign. Setting up a Bing Ads campaign. While Google dominates the search engine market, Bing Ads, now known as Microsoft Advertising, is still a powerful platform that businesses should not ignore. In fact, Bing holds a significant share of search traffic, particularly among older, high-income demographics. Many advertisers dismiss Bing Ads, but the truth is competition is lower, cost per click is cheaper, and conversion rates are often higher compared to Google Ads. To create a Bing Ads account, visit Microsoft Advertising and sign up using an existing Microsoft account. The process is very similar to Google Ads. One advantage of Bing Ads is that it allows advertisers to import existing Google Ads campaigns directly into Bing, making it easier to manage both platforms simultaneously. This feature saves a tremendous amount of time and ensures consistency in ad campaigns. Most people assume Google Ads is the superior platform simply because it has the largest market share, but Bing Ads offers unique advantages that many advertisers overlook. While Google dominates mobile and younger audiences, Bing captures an older, wealthier demographic with higher disposable income. Additionally, because fewer advertisers compete on Bing, cost per click is often significantly lower than on Google, leading to a higher return on investment. Furthermore, Bing partners with Yahoo and AOL, meaning ads do not just appear on Bing's search results, they are also visible across other networks, increasing overall ad reach without increasing competition. Smart advertisers do not put all their budget into one platform, but instead test both to determine where their target audience is most engaged. Understanding campaign structure, campaigns, ad groups, keywords, and ads. A successful search engine marketing campaign follows a well-structured hierarchy, which consists of 4 main levels. Campaigns, the highest level where you set the overall budget and objectives. Ad groups, subsets within a campaign that contains specific themes or products. Keywords, the search terms you want your ads to appear for. Ads, the actual advertisements that users see on the search results page. Many advertisers make the mistake of grouping too many unrelated keywords into the same ad group, which leads to poor ad relevance and lower quality scores. Instead, each ad group should be tightly themed around specific keywords. For example, if you run a shoe store, instead of having one ad group for shoes, you should create multiple ad groups for running shoes, formal shoes, and sneakers. This improves ad relevance, click-through rates, and overall campaign performance. An often overlooked factor in SEM success is the psychology of a click. The words you use in your ad copy can make or break your campaign. The best ads are not just about stuffing keywords, they evoke emotion and urgency. Studies show that ads with phrases like limited time offer, exclusive deal, or only a few left have significantly higher click-through rates because they create a sense of scarcity. Likewise, using numbers, egg, save 25% today, or power words like proven, guaranteed, or top-rated builds credibility and attracts attention. The secret is understanding that people click on ads because they believe they will gain something valuable, so the more persuasive and customer-focused your ad copy is, the better your campaign will perform. SEM-Setting, billing, SEM-Setting, and allocation. Now that we have structured the campaign correctly, the next step is setting up billing and budget allocation. Billing setup. Google and Bing ads offer multiple billing options, including prepaid billing, add funds to your account in advance, postpaid billing, pay after accumulating ad costs, monthly invoicing, available for businesses with high ad spend. To avoid any disruptions in ad delivery, ensure that billing details are accurate and that your payment method is valid. Budget allocation. Setting the right budget is crucial. Many beginners either overspend too quickly or allocate too little to see meaningful results. A good rule of thumb is to start small, analyze performance, and scale up based on ROI. Google Ads allows advertisers to set daily budgets, while Bing Ads provides more flexibility with monthly spending caps. Many businesses burn through their SEM budget without seeing results because they fall into avoidable pitfalls. One major mistake is not using negative keywords, which means ads are displayed for irrelevant searches, leading to wasted clicks. For example, a lawyer advertising divorce consultation might accidentally attract searches for free divorce forms if they do not exclude free as a negative keyword. Another budget killer is poor audience targeting. Many advertisers leave their targeting too broad, showing ads to users who have no real interest in their product or service. Lastly, failing to track conversions is a common mistake. Without setting up conversion tracking, businesses have no idea which ads are actually driving results, making it impossible to optimize their strategy. The difference between a profitable campaign and a failed one often comes down to simply avoiding these mistakes. Ongoing optimization and monitoring. Launching a campaign is only the beginning. The real work comes in analyzing performance data and optimizing campaigns continuously. Key areas to focus on include keyword performance, removing underperforming keywords and adding high-converting ones. Ad copy testing, running a /B test to see which headlines and descriptions perform best. Bid adjustments, increasing bids on high-performing keywords and reducing them on low-performing ones. Audience targeting, refining demographics to reach the right audience. Search engine advertising is not a set-it-and-forget-it strategy. Regularly reviewing reports, making bid adjustments, and experimenting with new ad variations are necessary to maximize success. Search engine marketing is evolving rapidly, and artificial intelligence is transforming the way campaigns are managed. With tools like Google's Smart Bidding and Microsoft's AI-driven audience targeting, advertisers can now automate bid adjustments, ad placements, and even keyword selection based on real-time data. AI-powered features analyze user behavior patterns and predict which audiences are most likely to convert, allowing businesses to spend their budget more efficiently. Even ad creation is becoming more automated. Responsive search ads automatically test multiple headlines and descriptions, identifying which combinations perform best. While AI makes SEM more accessible, it also means advertisers need to focus more on strategy and less on manual adjustments. Those who embrace AI and automation will stay ahead, while those who resist it risk falling behind. Once the campaign is live, the work is not over. Monitoring and optimizing is an ongoing process. Google Ads and Bing Ads provide detailed analytics that show which keywords, ads, and targeting settings are performing well and which need adjustment. Successful advertisers regularly analyze performance data, make bid adjustments, test new ad variations, and refine keyword lists to ensure maximum return on investment. Search engine marketing is an ever-evolving landscape, but by setting up campaigns strategically, targeting the right audience, and optimizing based on data, businesses can create highly profitable Google and Bing Ads campaigns that drive real results. If you're serious about taking your SEM career to the next level, enroll now in Transform Academy Limited Advanced Marketing courses via our website, www.whattransformacademy.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert digital marketing content. See you in the next video.